Hello everyone, welcome to part 44 of Laravel 11 series in which we are creating the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So we will continue working on the product images module, and in this video we are going to work on the CRUD for product images. We are going to work on create, read, update, delete for the product images. Okay, so uh, we are going to add the product images from here from addEditProduct form. Okay, right before the product video we are going here to add the field to add the multiple product images so that the admin can able to add the multiple product images for that product. Okay, so first we are going to make the provision to add the products, then edit the products, then we will also show the products here, and then finally we are going to delete the products as well. We'll add the feature to delete the products as well. Okay, so one by one we are going to add all the options in this video for the product images. So first of all, see, we are going to follow these steps. Okay, these are given under the video description as well, but the source code is not given. If you want to have the source code, then you can always join as a member. You can simply open this channel youtube.com/stack developers, and you can get the complete source code. Okay, so see, complete source code whatever we have done so far, like up till part 44 you will get the source code, but you will get the complete source code of all the previous series. Okay, so the same website we have done in the MySQL database as well, that will work in the Laravel 11 as well, so that you can get that website as well with small price. Okay, you can just join as a member and can get this series. Okay, and always make sure to subscribe this tech developer channel, because don't miss any update. We are going to update very new and latest things in Laravel. Okay, we are also working on the MongoDB, and we are going to work on the latest technology that you must be aware of. Okay, so let's start. Let's first of all add the product images field in the add edit product form. Here I'm going to open that add edit product file. Here we are going to add the form here, that field here, product images field before product video. Here we are going to add that product images field that will allow to add the multiple images. Here you can see that we have added the type file, and here we have added the product images array, and also we have added the multiple here so that it will support to select the multiple images. You can select control you are just like, and one more thing, here we are going to add here accept only images. Okay, so that it will accept only images. Here I think it will work like this. Okay, I'm going to check though that how it will work accept only images. Yeah, image slash star, so it is like this. Okay, so here the recommended size I have given 1040 into 1200. We are going to modify later on according to our template. Okay, so this is the code that we have added. After refreshing, you can see the product images field has come up here, and now if I will click on choose file, and then I can able to select the multiple images. Here you can see I can able to select the multiple images, 3 images I can able to select, and you can only see the images, and also move file and some video. See, it is showing the media. Okay, it is showing the media images and videos. If you want to see the specific like png jpg, then you need to mention it specifically. Okay, but it will not show any php or txt or other files, but I think it is still showing. I'm going to refresh and we'll check once again. Yes, it is still showing other files. Okay, I'm going to check that something may be wrong. I'm going to open this one, and here we can add this code as well. Okay, so that only particular things I'm going to add here like this. Now I'm going to refresh and we'll see here if it will work. Yes, now it is working. Here you can see the we can't able to select those. Okay, it is showing but we can't able to select only png jpg. Okay, so now we have mentioned that which file it will accept. Okay, so uh, so let's move to the next step. Okay, So after this, we are going to add the folders where we are going to save these images. Okay, so this is our project, public. Where is the public folder? Public, front images. Then after this, we are going to add here the products folder. After that, we are going to add the three more folders: small, medium, as well as the large. Okay, so after adding these three folders under products, now we are going to update the source code here. We are going to modify the add edit product function. I'm going to open that product controller. Here we are going to modify this function. Okay, so after this, first thing is that we are going to, after saving the product, we are going to get the product id here. Okay, so here we will get the product id. If the product id uh, is empty, only then we are going to get the product id like this from the here. Okay, we will get the product id. This, after saving, we will get the product id like this. But if the id is not empty, then we will straight away pick it from the id, then this id will work. Okay, this one will work. We are going to pick from here if the id is not empty. Okay, otherwise we are going to save that product, and that product id we can get with this query, with this statement db get pdo last insert id. Okay, it will get the last product id inserted in our collection. Okay, so after getting the product id, we are going to then upload the product images. So this is the code for uploading the product images. So I'm going to insert that. After this one, I'm going to insert this code for uploading the product images. Okay, so here first of all, we are going to check that the product images are there or not. If the product images are there, then we are going to accept those product images and we'll put in one variable, and we are going to use the for each loop, because there can be the multiple product images as well, in which we are going to first check the temp product image, and after that we are going to have the extension. Then we'll make the image name new image name, and we are going to define the path for the large, medium, and small images. After that, we are going to resize those images and we'll save that image in those paths. Okay, after that we are going to save that particular image name in the collection, in the products image collection that we have created in the last video. We are going to save that image name, and we are going to save the product id, and we'll make it status 1. Okay, so it one by one we are going to do. Like if there are 3 images, this loop will go for the 3 times. Okay, so 3 times we are going to save that in our products image collection, and also we will have the 3 images. Okay, and with the 3 different folders we are going to add. Okay, so so I hope that this is clear to you. So after that, we will also define the images relation. One product can has the multiple images, so has many relation we are going to add in product model. Okay, we are going to add in product model. Okay, so relation between product. Okay, so we are going to add this relation here, has many relation between product and product images. Okay, so finally we are going to attach this relation in add edit product. Here we are going to add this relation as well. Here in case of edit, we are going to add this relation here. Okay, so after that we will get the product images of that particular product as well, that we can show in our add edit product grade file. Okay, so once again we are going to modify it so that we can show the product images as well with the delete link. Okay, so that we can able to delete them as well. So here we are going to replace those. Okay, so here we are going to show it like this. Let's check once that how it looks. So see, there are no product images added so far, so it is not showing any image so far. Okay, once we will add, then it is going to show. Okay, so let's add. First of all, I'm going to add uh, here I'm going to edit though. Okay, I'm going to, this is the add product form. Here I'm going to open the blue t-shirt, and now I'm going to add the 3 blue t-shirt images. Okay, I'm going to download and will upload. Here I will save 3 product images for the dummy purpose, just for the dummy purpose. Okay, I'm not going to sell, not going to do anything else. Okay, just for the dummy purpose I'm just saving it. Okay, and this one, this one, and finally this one. So these 3 images, we are going to upload multiple images. Okay, as we are going to test with the multiple images, we have given the multiple images. So command shift, just command is required. Command with or control in Windows, and command in, you just need to press that command to select the multiple. Okay, and control, you are just required to press the control in Windows and command in Mac. Okay, to select the multiple images and click on open. Then you can see that we are going to add the 3 images. Let's click on submit and let's see. Okay, we need to add the use image. Okay, we are using the intervention package for uploading the images, like we have used earlier for adding the image for the admin. Okay, we are going to use image. Now I'm going to try once again. Command shift R or control shift R in Windows, click on continue. Okay, so we are required to add the class as well. Okay, so we have not added its model. Okay, so we're going to add its model as well. So once again, I'm going to save it, and we are going to do the command shift R in Windows, in Mac, and control shift R in Windows. Continue, and now we able to add the product images. Let's see that if we able to see. Yes, we able to see those images here. It's now in the folder as well. We can open the folder. Yes, the images are there in the folder as well. Okay, so we can see the images are added in the folder as well, and also shown here with the delete icon. Okay, so now we are going to work on the delete feature. So for that, we will add the delete route. Here we are going to add the delete route in the web.php file. After this one, we are going to add another route, and then we are going to create this delete product image function. That we are going to add here. So we are going to add this function here to delete the product image from the folder as well as from the MongoDB. Okay, this it will completely delete that product image. And finally, once again, we are going to update this script once again, so that we can able to delete the product image. Also we are going to sort. Okay, so we are updating this script once again because we want to give the sort value as well. Okay, so as we have given the sort value there, we are going to add the sort value here as well. So that's why we are going to update once again, so that we can show the sort value with every image, so that we can able to sort it as per our requirement. Okay, so I'm going to check now. So here you can see the sort. Okay, and it's now design is also updated. Okay, you can see the image, then sort, then delete, then image, then sort, then delete. Okay, you can able to update if you want to change. Okay, you can able to update its design as well. Okay, so now we want to give the sort number with every image as well. And this, finally, this script, we are going to add this script right before saving the image. Okay, I'm going to have the script message here, and sorry, not here. We are going to have it in addEditProduct function. Here it is. Okay, this is the addEditProduct function. So we are going to add right before here. We are going to add. So this script will able to add the image sort with every product image, okay, that we have defined there. Okay, so it will simply add image sort for that particular image. Okay, so we are going to check once like it is working or not. So I'm going to give 1, 2 and 3. Let's see. I'm going to update and we'll now check. Yes, 1, 2 and 3 is given for all the three images. Okay, so it's our choice. We can show this 3 with the number 3, we can show at the top, and then this one and then this one. Okay, so both will work fine. And also we're going to test that delete feature. If we'll click on delete, it is asking are you sure want to delete. If I click on cancel, then it will not delete, and if I will click on yes delete it, then it's going to delete, and the success message will come, product image has been deleted successfully. And here you can see only the two images are left, one image is deleted. Okay, so you can do this at your end. And from the next video we will start working on the product attributes. Okay, so the product attributes is only thing that is left in the products module. Every product can have the multiple attributes. Okay, so we are going to work on these attributes from the next video, so stay tuned for that. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.